Today's match was crucial. I have been here and we've been here from the beginning. You played your hearts out. You played so well. And I think penalties being what they are, game of chance, we have just to accept what has come. And on behalf of the President, who is away from the country, he has sent us to tell you he's very proud of you, both the players and the technical bench. There is nothing extra you would have done. There is nothing you would have done that you haven't done. So we are very proud of you, we're very proud of the Federation, and we will now pick the lessons and build on the momentum, because the future of our soccer and our national team is very bright. We have AFCON just around the corner, and therefore I'm sure Mr. President of the Federation, Waziri and the PS and the Ministry, we have a lot of work to do as government to support the players, the Federation, the officials, to ensure that when AFCON comes, we do much better than we've done this during this competition.